Guys are pathetic.
This is how we build houses.
That's how we build houses, yep. Where's my damn Kool-Aid? Where's my iced tea?
I'm already starting to think this might be the best investment I ever made. I ain't seen a hammer this morning.
Yeah. The printer showed up on time.
Early.
Doesn't have a hangover.
No. Don't ask for extra.
Hasn't asked for a raise in forever.
Don't bitch if it's cold or too hot.
Yeah.
Don't worry, it's coming.
It don't bring all of its family problems to work.
Nope. Police aren't showing up on job site.
I don't have to check it in out of jail for work release. It's kind of nice.
Yeah, it's kind of nice.
It's child support.
You haven't put up a bail in forever.
I don't have to garnish its wages. I don't have to do any of that.
Yeah, she's pretty.
It's cowboy life. Every cowboy's got it. It's in the way he lives his life. Songs he sings.